Are you ready to revolutionize your journey of medicine residency? And your gateway to excel during medicine residency is just a click away. Here's a one-stop solution for everything you need to ace MD, DNB, and SS exams right at your fingertips. We're launching Conceptual Medicine, where learning goes beyond books. We have live interactive sessions, practical case discussions, mentorship sessions, the roadmap ahead. It's all here. I know I've got questions about the app study plans and the class access. You know what? I've got the answers. But here's the catch. I'll be answering them all in a live orientation session on Monday, September 16th at 9:30 p.m. So don't miss out. Drop your questions, doubts, or anything you're curious to know about Conceptual Medicine, and we have provided a Google form, and the link is in the bio. And remember, this live orientation session is open to all. Hit the link in the bio right now to submit your questions, and let's ace this together one session at a time. Meet me on Monday, 16th of September at 9:30 p.m. on the eConceptual app. Hurry and download the app right now. See you all there on September 16th.